cheated it. Pretty crazy. You can see moose tracks up in here. Let's see. Little ones. There we go. Some big hosses right there. It's like prime because right over there is a whole bunch of marsh over there, and then in the next field it's even worse. We were coming back yesterday, took a step and completely sank because we didn't know how deep it was. But anyways, super cool, super awesome. So hopefully on this trip we'll be able to see some moose. Oh, look at that, gross. All right, sorry, that's kind of gross. All right, day 2 fishing the creek. I've had a couple bites. The only thing, we're not off to a good start. I just stepped right there, which looks completely innocent. Turns out that's a solid 6 inches deep. Gosh dang, now my foot's all wet, pants are wet. Ah! Yeah. All right, all right, all right. Oh, just a little guy. Oh man, look how green it is back here. Pretty wild. Whoa! Hey, 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 hey. Cool it. Okay, not as good as I thought it was. Okay, okay. I just crashed my drone again. You guys, holy smokes. I was getting these shots of the river, as you may have seen, and then I smacked this tree. It's pretty tight right here. I don't know if the GoPro's doing it justice, but it's pretty dang tight right here. I felt like I was too far over there. I moved it over, and I moved it too quick. Smacked into those branches, but seriously, by the grace of God, thank you so much, God, it landed right here. The drone is literally fine. The only issue was there was some leaves right here. Hopefully the motors and everything are all right. The camera seems like it's fine. Literally, thank you, God. I was 98% sure it was in the water and toast. I was like, this is not gonna end well. So no way. Bite. We got a bite. All right, and bam. Oh, look how much worm we got left. We barely got anything. All right, we'll try it. We'll try it. Nothing. Probably gonna head back to camp within like 10 minutes. So I guess I will catch you guys back at camp. Greg's gonna take my pole and get it out further than what I could do. So, wow, dude, March. Awesome, thanks, dude. I'm gonna get a big one.
It's totally tapped out.
No kidding. Wow. All right, let's win. Let's get a bass. Let's get a 20-pound bass. So I haven't found any fish yet, but there are frogs over here somewhere. Let's see. Look at this guy. Look at that. Sorry, guy. Okay. Be free. Where'd he go? There he is. How cool is that? Anyways, so hopefully do some more fishing. Hopefully fry some fish. Hopefully do some razor ripping and what?
We're gonna be ripping razors, tackling trout,
beating up trees, fighting Sasquatch. I mean, the night is young. The day is young.